Okay, guys, let's talk about the salary sheet. Let's have a look what's inside. Click on the salary sheet tab, and here a menu is open in front of you. Now, if we see that the slot says December 2025 and select the teachers, we see few teachers here, okay? And how to make the salary, we are going to do that. But their names doesn't appear if they do not have classes scheduled for the month of December, right? Let's see, if I click on November, I don't see any teachers. Why? The salary of November is already being made. It's done. It's in this one. I'll show you from the salary list. And for the month of November, here is the salary list of month of November, right? So you see their salary is paid along with the remarks. You can see the actions, you can see the receipt, you can download it and send it. And if we are going to, now here we have seven teachers, but if we go back to salary sheet, let's go back, and I want to make the salaries of November. So let's see, only four teachers appear here. And why is that? Because we have assigned only the few classes of December's in advance to these teachers. As you can see, they have makeup classes of see only for the 2 days. So on, that's why the whole month is not going to appear here. The salary of December will be for 2 days because we are making in advance and the classes are assigned in advance. That is why. Now let's see. That's just an example. As soon as the month starts, your menu you will be able to open the menu, and you will be able to create salaries. Now, while you make salary, how much detail it displays. It helps you see through all the details that is attached to the teacher and students class. Now see, it shows you the how many students she is taking classes, the duration of the class, how many days in a week it she is taking the class. These are all the students, and it depends on what salary pattern you have chosen for her. You can put the salary like if it is one by one in an like for each student against each student, or as a whole you have decided. And then you are going to add if there are any bonuses or any deductions due to any reason. If there is a bonus, you can mention here the appreciation remarks. If there is a deduction, you can state here the reason why it is being deducted, and then the total salary is being created. Let's say I have decided for 5 days a week, it's 3,000, and then again it's 3,000, and then there are 90 minutes, 120 minutes, so let's do it 5,000. Again, let's do it 3,000. This one, let's do it 2,500. Sorry, not the thousands. Be careful. And let's again do it 4,000. Okay. See, the salary is being calculated. Now, if I want to write, like maybe I want to give my teacher a bonus, 1,000, no deductions, and like keep up the good work. Okay, you can write any appreciation mark, or you can be specific about what part of her job you like, being punctual, being always available, being ready on deadlines, so and so. Now, earlier I told you to remove the complaint so that it won't be a red mark on the teacher's record. So here you can see while you are making the salary, if you want to deduct, of course. Like if there are any students who are currently on leave, if there are any complaints against the teacher, this is all the data that you can see along with making the salary. Teachers, how many classes are cancelled for that teachers, and how many classes teacher did not join. Okay, there are two cases. Sometimes student would join, sometimes teachers do not join. So this is for the teachers who did not join. This is which student did not join, not the teacher. Teacher was there, but the student was not there. If the teacher has taken any leave or something, and here you can see how many days of the month she has taken the classes, how many classes, classes taken, and cancel classes, leaves, extra classes, total time and verified. This is how you make the class, you make the salary and create it. Okay, now the salary is created for Ma'am Amina. Let's see, go to the salary list. Okay, we have only made the salary of one person. Select teacher, Ma'am Amina. Select the month of December. And yeah, here we have her salary. But if I am going to look for another teacher in the month of December, we did not make it. There is no data. So I hope this thing remains very clear and very easy for you, that when you want to make a salary, you definitely need a lot of information about the teacher's conduct, about the teacher's presence, regularity, punctuality, availability, leaves, classes, cancelled classes, makeup classes. So LearnSkooly provides you all of this data while you are making the salary, so you do not miss anything. That is why you have to check everything and prepare the portal on a daily basis. Teachers has to be regular on filling up the portal. It can affect their own presence.